For reliable electrical installation in Davie, Florida, trust the experts at Code 1 Electric LLC. From new construction wiring to panel upgrades, we handle every installation with precision and safety in mind. Our licensed electricians ensure your home or business is powered efficiently and up to code. Need a new lighting system or circuit installation? We provide customized solutions for your specific needs. We specialize in residential and commercial electrical projects, big or small. Upgrade your electrical panel for improved safety and better energy efficiency. Installing a backup generator? We'll make sure it's set up correctly and ready when you need it. Code 1 Electric LLC delivers high-quality workmanship with a commitment to customer satisfaction. Our team uses the latest tools and techniques to ensure safe and reliable electrical installations. Don't take risks with DIY wiring. Let our experienced professionals do the job right. We work efficiently to minimize downtime and keep your project on schedule. Our electricians are trained to handle even the most complex electrical systems. We follow all local and national electrical codes to ensure compliance and safety. No hidden fees, just honest, upfront pricing for every installation service. Call Code 1 Electric LLC today at 888-320-2942 for expert electrical installation in Davie, Florida. Visit www.electrician3.com to learn more and schedule your service today.